Hello everyone, today we are going to start test 6 of Eduteria. Question 1. The books like Arthashastra of Khadi and Mahatma Gandhi in Champaran were written by which freedom fighter? The correct answer for this is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Peer Muhammad Munis wrote History of National Movement in Champaran and Pandit Jagannath Prasad Chaturvedi wrote Current Condition of India and Swadeshi Movement. Shiv Pujan Sahai wrote Vibhuti. Question 2. Swaraj Dal was formed in Bihar in February 1923. Its leader was Sri Krishna Singh. This party became ineffective by 1925, and this Swaraj Dal did not have any special impact in Bihar because the creative work being done vigorously under Gandhi ideology in Bihar at the same time. Question 3. Who was the first governor of Portuguese colonies in India? The correct answer is Almeida. In 1505, Francisco de Almeida came to India as the first Portuguese governor. The policy of blue water for Portuguese domination in the Indian Ocean was carried out by him. The main objective of blue water policy was a peaceful trade. Question 4. Which of the following is a true statement? The last Subedar of Bengal, independently appointed by the Mughal emperor, was Murshid Quli Khan. Correct. Murshid Quli Khan shifted his capital from Dhaka to Murshidabad. Correct. Murshid Quli Khan started the Ijaradari system in land settlement. Correct. The correct answer is C. Question 5. Who among the following was the only Jewish Viceroy of India? The correct answer is D. Lord Reading. Tenure of Lord Reading was 1921 to 26, and during his tenure, important events like Mopla Rebellion, establishment of the Communist Party of the India, Chauri Chaura incident of 1922, and formation of Swaraj Party took place. Question 6. Which of the following classes did not participate in the revolt of 1857? Moneylenders, educated classes, and zamindars did not participate in this revolt. So the correct answer is 2, 3, and 5. Seventh, with whose efforts the first women university was established in Bombay? The correct answer is D.K. Karve. D.K. Karve was the professor of Fergusson College, and he married a widow and established Widow Ashram in Pune in 1899. 8. Which of the following is not a feature of the Government of India Act 1935? Diarchy at the center as well as the states is not the feature of the Government Act 1930. Government of India Act 1935 established diarchy at the center, and 1919 Act abolished diarchy in the provinces. Ninth, who was the founder of Indian Brahma Samaj, New Brahma Samaj? The correct answer is Kesav Chandra Sen. Raja Ram Mohan Roy established Brahma Samaj, Devendra Nath Tagore established Adi Brahma Samaj, and Anand Mohan Bose established Sadharan Brahma Samaj. Question 10. On which date did the partition of Bengal take effect? The correct answer is D. 16 October 1905. The day of mourning was observed all over Bengal on this day, but on the suggestion of Rabindranath Tagore, Rakhi Day was celebrated to show unity in whole Bengal. Question number 11. In which year King Mahendra Pratap formed the first government of India in Afghanistan? 1915. The first government of India was formed in Afghanistan in 1915 by King Mahendra Pratap. He formed the interim democratic government of the India, making himself the president and Barkatullah as the prime minister, and this was recognized by Germany and Russia. 12th, which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? The answer is more than one of the above, as all the options are correctly matched. 13. Who was the first president of the Muslim League formed in Dhaka in December 1906? The correct answer is Aga Khan. Question 14. In which session of the Congress Mahatma Gandhi participated for the first time? The answer is Calcutta 1901. 15th, who formed the Independence for India League? In 1928, Jawaharlal Nehru and Subhash Chandra Bose together formed the Independence for India League. Hence, the correct answer is more than one of the above. The purpose of this league was to advance the demand for complete independence instead of the demand for dominion state. 16th, arrange the following events in chronological order. The correct answer is B, 1, 4, 3 and 2. 17th, who was the second Satyagrahi of individual Satyagraha? The correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Vinoba Bhave was the first Satyagrahi of the individual Satyagraha started by Mahatma Gandhi in 1914. 18th, the interim government of independent India was established by Subhash Chandra Bose in. The correct answer is C, 21 October 1943. 19th, who wrote the book A Passage to India? The correct answer is D, E.M. Foster. 20, who was the leader of the Paika rebellion? The correct answer is Buxi Jagbandhu. 21, in which year Queen Victoria was declared the Empress of the India? 1877. On 1 January 1877, Lord Lytton conferred the title of Kaisar-e-Hind to Queen Victoria in Delhi Darbar as well as declared Empress of India. 22. Which leader played an important role in the Gandhi-Irwin Pact? The correct answer is Tej Bahadur Sapru and Amar Jaikar. The correct answer is more than one of the above. 23. Why was this Sapru committee formed? Sapru committee was formed by Lord Wellington in 1934 to address the problem of unemployment. 24. Where was Dr. Rajendra Prasad arrested and kept during the Quit India movement? Bankipur Jail. 25. Which Jain monk was conferred the title of Jagat Guru by Akbar? Hari Vijay Suri. 26. Which of the following Sufi Sant is known as Mehboob-e-Ilahi? The correct answer is Sheikh Nizamuddin Aulia. 27. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? The correct answer is A. Battle of Chanderi took place in 1528 between Babur and Medini. 28. Which dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate ruled for the shortest period? The correct answer is C. Khilji dynasty. Khilji dynasty ruled for the shortest period 1290 to 1320 and Tughlaq dynasty ruled the most, that is from 1320 to 1414. 29. Who was the last Mughal emperor to sit on the peacock throne? The correct answer is B. Muhammad Shah. Muhammad Shah ruled from 1719 to 1748 and he was given the title of Rangila. And during his tenure in 1739, Nadir Shah attacked and he took the peacock throne. That's why he was the last ruler to sit on this throne. 30. Which Sultan of Sultanate imposed jizya tax on Brahman also? The correct answer is Firoz Shah Tughlaq. 31. From which of the following sites in Bihar have the remains of Paleolithic period been found? The correct answer is more than one of the above. From all these options, Paleolithic remains have been found. The remains of this period include stone axes, knives, scrapers and engravers. Scrapers in Hindi is known as Kharuchni and engravers is known as Utkirnak. 32. The Indus Valley civilization is related to. The correct answer is C. Proto-historic era. Indus Valley civilization took place from 2300 AD to 1700 AD. The history of the India from 2500 to 600 AD is considered to be proto-historic. Hence, the civilization of Indus Valley is protohistoric. This will be in BC, not AD, BC. Choose the correct sequence of ruler who organized 4 different Buddhist council. The correct answer is D. 34. In whose court did Acharya Charak of Ayurveda reside? The correct answer is C. Kanishk. 35. Which one is not true about Gandhara art? The art is also called Indo-Greek or Greek Buddhist style. This art was patronized by Sakas and Kusans. Correct. Buddha statue of this art have been made like the Greek god Apollo. Correct. Dark blue and black stones were mainly used in this. Correct. So the correct answer is more than one of the above. All the options are correct. 36. Which of the following is not a composition of Kalidas? Brihat Samhita is not the composition of Kalidas. Brihat Samhita and Panch Siddhantika are the works of Varamihir, not Kalidas. 37. Which of the following is correctly matched? All the options are correctly matched, more than one of the above. 38. Which inscription of Ashoka condemns animal sacrifice? The correct answer is C. First inscription. Second inscription talk about care for man and animal. Third inscription talks about Yukta, Rajuk and Pradeshik directed to visit the state every 5th year. And fifth inscription talk about the information about the appointment of Dhamma Mahamatras. 39. Sikandar's army refused to cross which river? The correct answer is Byas. 40. Which of the following rulers shifted his capital from Patliputra to Vaisali? It was Sisunag. 41. In which act the Dalit castes, women and labourers were included by expanding the communal electoral system on the basis of separate electoral system? The correct answer is C. Government of India Act 1935. 42. On which date the Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly? The answer is 26 January 1949. 43. Who can enforce the ordinance in the state? The correct answer is B. Governor of the state. Under Article 213, when the legislature of both the houses are not in session, the governor can issue an ordinance. 213. 44. How many members of the Indian Parliament are elected from Bihar? The correct answer is D. 56. 45. The allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha is mentioned in which schedule of the Indian Constitution? The correct answer is 4th. 46. How many types of equality are mentioned in the preamble of the Constitution? The correct answer is 2 types. And these 2 equality are equality of status and opportunity. 47. In which country was the first parliamentary system of the government started in the world? Great Britain. 48. With reference to the national flag, which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Saffron, courage, white, peace and truth, green, fertility and growth, blue, symbol of justice. The correct answer is more than one of the above. All the options are correct. 49. Which of the following is not included in the President's Electoral College? 49. Which of the following is not included in the President Electoral College? The correct answer is C. Member of Legislative Council. 50. The power of pardon of the President of the India is judicial power. Under Article 72 of the Constitution, the President has got the power to pardon in the form of judicial power. Question number 51. In which article of the Constitution is the word cabinet mentioned only once in the Constitution? The correct answer is B. 352. Under Article 352, the President shall declare emergency only if so communicated in writing by the Union Cabinet. Article 78 says the duty of the Prime Minister in relation to giving information to the President. 76 related to the Attorney General of the India, and 356 is related to the President rule in the states. 52. Secretariat of the Indian Parliament is independent from the government. 53. Under whose chairmanship the first official language commission was formed? The correct answer is C. B.G. Kher. 54. Who certifies a bill as a money bill in the Lok Sabha? The correct answer is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. 55. How many high courts are there in India at present? The correct answer is 25. 25th High Court has been established in Amravati, in the capital of the Andhra Pradesh. And the seventh amendment to the Constitution provides that Parliament has the right to establish a common high court for two or more states and a union territory. 56. Under economic activities are not included under the primary sector of the economy. Mining and quarrying, forestry, fisheries, agriculture are included in the primary sector. The answer is none of the above. 57. What are the goals set up by the Niti Aayog for the planning process in India? The correct answer is C. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Both are correct. 58. Identify the false statement from the following statement. The false statement is Second World Cotton Day was observed on not 17, it was 7th October. 59. When was the policy of special economic zone first introduced in the country? It was 2000. Shadow banking is providing services like banking by non-banking financial companies. 61. Which of the following committee was constituted to suggest reform in the field of agriculture credit? The correct answer is R.V. Gupta Committee. 62. Deducting the grant given for the creation of capital assets from the revenue deficit following is obtained. Effective revenue deficit. 63. Income tax in India is an example of which of the following? Income tax in India is an example of progressive tax as well as direct tax. So the correct answer is more than one of the above. 64. Which of the following countries can be said to be trapped in a debt trap? It has to take a loan to pay interest on the outstanding loan. 65. Which of the following is not true about Maharatna Company? A. The concept of Maharatna Company was started on 4th February 2009. 66. Which country currently has highest per capita income on the basis of purchasing power parity? The correct answer is Singapore. 67. Which committee has recommended that calorie consumption should be avoided as a criteria for poverty line? Rangarajan Committee. 68. In which year rupee was declared fully convertible into current account? 1994. The rate of urbanization in Bihar as per 2011 census is 12.34%. 70. What was the per capita consumption of electricity in Bihar in 2019 and 20? The correct answer is 332 kilowatt per hour. Where is the Malagasy plateau located? Madagascar. 72. In which sphere the mother of pearl could be seen? The correct answer is stratosphere. Clouds are not usually found in the stratosphere, but rarer clouds such as mother of pearl clouds are sometimes seen when water vapor is available. 73. Among the following countries, which country has recorded the highest annual bauxite output in 2019? Brazil. 74. Rocks of Vindhya system are found in which of the following areas of the Bihar? Kaimur, Jamui and Banka. 75. Which of the following is the district of Bihar which shares border with both Nepal and West Bengal? Kishanganj. 76. Where is the Barabar Hills located? B. Jahanabad. 77. What is the ideal pH of the soil for the healthy growth of plant? C. 6 to 7.5 pH. 78. Bagmati is a tributary of which of the? It is the tributary of Budi Gandak. Bagmati originates from Mahabharat range in Nepal. It enters Bihar near Soktia village of Sitamarhi. 79. As per census 2011, the sex ratio in Bihar is none of the above, as it is 918, while the national sex ratio is 943. And in Bihar, Gopalganj is the district with the highest sex ratio. 80. Which of the following pair is wrong? This is wrong. District with highest sex ratio is Gopalganj. District with lowest sex ratio is Munger. Hence the correct answer is more than one of the above. 81. Which of the following is the largest island in the continent of Africa? A. Madagascar Island. 82. Which of the following salt is present in maximum amount in sea water? The correct answer is sodium chloride. 83. Which of the following is the Indian state that does not share a border with Bangladesh? The answer is Manipur. There are 5 states in India that share border with Bangladesh, which are West Bengal, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Assam. 84. In which part of the Himalayas is the Ladakh mountain range located? It is Trans-Himalaya. 85. Match list 1 and list 2. Neura Valley, Assam, Chumbi Valley, Tibet, Juko Valley, Nagaland, and Yamthang Valley, Sikkim. The correct answer is A. 86. Which biome is found in the western part of both the hemisphere between 30 degree to 45 degree latitude? The correct answer is B. Mediterranean forest biome. 87. What is the consequences of excess biodiversity in an ecosystem? The correct answer is C. More biodiversity makes the ecosystem stronger. 85. If India had an equator instead of the Tropic of Cancer, then the effect on the climate here would be more temperature and more rainfall. 89. Which of the following rivers flows from Panna National Park in Madhya Pradesh? It is Ken. 90. Which of the following is not included under the Golden Quadrilateral Project? Bangalore is not included. Under the Golden Quadrilateral Project, 4 metropolitan cities of Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata were connected by a 5846 km long national highway. 91. Which of the following is the temperature at which both the centigrade and Fahrenheit scale shows the same value? It is minus 40 degree. So the correct answer is none of the above. 92. Which of the following determines the color of the light? Wavelength of the light determines the color of the light. 93. Which of the following can be used to correct myopia? It is concave lens. 94. Which of the following is the working principle of hydraulic brake? It is Pascal's law. C. 95. Which of the following metals is used to generate electricity? It is uranium. 96. Which of the following two physical quantities have the same unit? Force, weight, and thrust has same unit. So the correct answer is more than one of the above. 97. Which of the following is the best conductor of heat? Mercury is the best conductor of heat. 98. Which is the main constituent of greenhouse gases? CO2, ozone, nitrous oxide, methane plus water vapor constitute the greenhouse gas. How does an air bubble in water behave? It behaves like a concave lens. 100. Which is the titanium rich mineral found in India? It is ilmenite. 101. Which element is found in maximum quantity in the human body? The correct answer is oxygen. 102. Nowadays, the most popular and safe substitute for sugar is. The correct answer is aspartame. 103. Green leafy vegetables are rich sources of which of the following vitamins? The correct answer is vitamin A. Coconut fruit spreads through mesocarp. 105. Which of the following is not a viral disease? Tuberculosis. Match list 1 and list 2. Blue vitriol, copper sulfate, Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate, baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, caustic soda, sodium hydroxide. The correct answer is D. Which of the following are the waste products of the plants? Waste products of the plants are oxygen, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. The answer is more than one of the above. 108. Which of the following cannot be further divided? The correct answer is A. Element. In which of the following processes a gas is directly converted into a solid? The correct answer is C. Deposition. 110. From which gland growth hormone is secreted? The correct answer is D. Pituitary gland. 111. Which of the following is an animal that does not have blood but it breathes? The correct answer is B. Hydra. 112. Which of the following is the coordination system of the body? It is C. Nervous and endocrine system. 113. Which of the following are a good source of vitamin E? It is egg yolk. 114. Which of the following are examples of connective tissue? The correct answer is blood, bone, and cartilage. D. 115. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Secondary consumer include not leopard, it includes snake and wolf. D. 116. Which of the following does not affect respiration in plants? The correct answer is none of the above, as all the four options affect respiration in plants. 117. Which of the following radiation is used in the treatment of muscle pain? It is infrared. 118. An antigen is a substance that stimulates the formation of antibodies. 119. Which one of the following gases is considered as atmospheric pollutant? It is sulfur dioxide. 120. Which of the following is related to the rainbow revolution? Rainbow revolution include white, blue, yellow, and green revolution. The answer is more than one of the above. 121. According to the UN report 2021, which country has the highest number of NRI living in different countries of the world? It is C. UAE. 122. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, set a new record by launching how many satellites simultaneously? It is D. 143. Recently, N.V. Raman has become the 48th Chief Justice. With reference to Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, consider the following statement and select the incorrect statement. The answer is none of the above, as all the options are correct. Which state government has launched Abhiyudh scheme to provide free coaching to students preparing for competitive examination? The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. 126. Which country hosted the 17th BIMSTEC ministerial meeting on 1st April 2021? Sri Lanka. 127. Forest and livelihood sustaining people and planet is the theme of which of the following celebrated in 2021? World Wildlife Day. 128. India's rank in the list of 156 countries in the World Economic Forum Global Gender Gap Report 2021 is 140th. Noura Al Matrusi will become the first woman astronaut of which country? UAE. 130. Select the present pair of Minister of Education and Rural Development in the Union Council of Ministers. The correct answer is C. Dharmendra Pradhan and Giriraj Singh. 131. Which year has been adopted by the United Nations General Assembly to celebrate as the International Year of Millets proposed by India? 2023. 132. Which state government has collaborated with IBM to provide free skill training to the youths? C. Goa. 133. Which are the first 3 states in the list of Land Records Digitization Index 2021? It is C. Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal and Bihar. Who has successfully conducted the flight test of solid fuel ducted drum SFDR technology? It is DRDO. Where has CSIR NIO launched 90-day scientific cruise missile? B. Indian Ocean. 136. What is the name of the robotic helicopter that was operated by NASA's Perseverance rover? B. Ingenuity. 137. Which country defeated India to win International Cricket Council first World Test Championship? New Zealand. 138. Who has become the first Indian woman player to score 10,000 runs in international cricket? Mithali Raj. 139. Who was awarded the Gandhi Peace Prize 2020? Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. 142nd Commonwealth Table Tennis Championship 2021 will be held in Panchkula. 141. Which country's first green municipal bond was issued by which of the following in March 2021? Ghaziabad Municipal Corporation. Who has been appointed as the Vice Chief of the Integrated Defence Staff to head the Chief of Staff Committee? Atul Kumar Jain. 143. Which country has launched a new satellite Arctica M to monitor the climate and environment of the Arctic region? Russia. 144. Which Indian scientist has been announced to be conferred with any international award? The correct answer is Professor C.N. Rao. 145. Which ministry is responsible for organizing Saras Ajivika Mela? Ministry of Rural Development. 146. The Indian Air Force team attended the 70th anniversary celebration of the Air Force of which country? Sri Lanka. 147. Which state's Raimona Forest Reserve was declared as the 6th national park of the state? A. Assam. 148. What is the gross enrollment ratio in higher education in the year 2019-20 as per All India Survey of Higher Education? C. 27.1%. 149. The 16th Summit of India and the European Union was held on 8 May 2021 under the chairmanship of which country? Portugal. 150. Recently, the President, Prime Minister and Defence Minister of which country were taken into custody by the army and the army took over the power? It is Mali. Thank you.